Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I make my air freshener. This is so beautiful and easy to prepare. We got these bottles just from the 3 liters I made. Yes, so without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your air fresheners. Yes, so it's just a 4 ingredients recipe. You have your methanol, you have your powdered color, you have your fragrance, you have your texapon, and you have your menthol. So the first thing we're going to do now is to add our menthol into the methanol, and the methanol is going to dissolve the menthol. Okay, so that's what you want to do. I'm going to add it into it and dissolve it. So it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so I'm dropping it into it, and the methanol is going to dissolve the menthol. Okay, we're making 3 liters air freshener. Okay, so once you close it and you shake it together, okay, in fact it has dissolved it. So that's that. Just so I've added my menthol into the methanol, and all you want to do is to just shake it to dissolve it. Okay, shake it to dissolve it, and look, be sure that it's dissolved. And now into another bowl. So this is a 3 liter bowl, so let's just do 3 liters. Into this 3 liter bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in my texapon. Okay, and into my texapon I'm going to add in my fragrance. So the fragrance will dissolve the texapon completely. I have my texapon here, and I'll add in my fragrance. I'm using lavender. You can use any fragrance of your choice. There are several fragrances in the market. Just pick anyone that you like, and then you use. Now you go ahead and dissolve it. The fragrance is going to dissolve the texapon completely. Just stir it. Make sure you stir it, and everything will be dissolved. You need to break it down and dissolve it completely. So I've dissolved the texapon in the fragrance. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the methanol and the menthol, the mixture. I'm going to add it into the texapon and the fragrance, and I'll stir. So as you add it, you stir. It's that simple. So now that I've dissolved it completely, I'll go ahead and add water. And I remember I said that this is a 3 liter bowl. So I'll go ahead and add water to fill it up. All you need to do now is to add water and add your color, and your air freshener is ready. Just mix it, add water and add your color, and your air freshener is ready. Okay, so we're almost there. Your air freshener is ready. All you need to do is add the color. So this is my powdered color, but I prefer to add it into a bowl, add some water to it, and make it into this liquid solution. Okay, and you want to go ahead and color your air freshener, and you're good to go. So you've gone ahead to make 3 liters of your air freshener with just a little amount of money. Now you can use this for souvenirs. You can use it in your homes. You can gift people. You can sell it, whatever you like. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Just do what you like with this, and you can see how simple it is to make your air freshener. So this is the finished look of what our air freshener looks like. You can see it looks so beautiful. I made more than this. I was only able to reserve these ones for the video because I already gave out some of the air fresheners, and you can see what it looks like. We got this big bottle, this medium one, and the small bottles, and this is the finished look of the air fresheners. Thank you so much for watching. In my description I'm going to drop the vendor's contact where I buy my materials from, and I'll drop her TikTok handle also, so just in case you want to purchase from her or you cannot visit the market where they sell it, I'll drop all the details for you. If you have any questions for me, drop it in the comment section. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.